My fellow video enthusiasts, today, we're going on an extraordinary journey to discover the leading AI video creation tools that will revolutionize your video content creation. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be amazed. These incredible platforms are changing the game for content creators. Forget about complex editing software and time-consuming manual processes. With these AI tools, you can create professional quality videos in a matter of time. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 6 AI video creation tools that will take your video creation to the next level. Are you ready? Let's go! First up, we have Invideo. This user-friendly platform provides a wide range of customizable templates and robust editing features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, Invideo makes it easy to create engaging videos that stand out from the crowd. Create videos with text prompts. With text-to-video option, describe your idea. Optionally add details such as video length, platform, voiceover accent, and watch as the video gets generated. You can create videos in all languages, clone voice with AI, save time and optimize your workflow. Next, let's meet Pictory. This innovative tool allows you to create AI-powered videos from text or articles. Simply input your content, and Pictory will automatically generate a visually stunning video. With script-to-video option in Pictory, you can create professional quality videos from your script with realistic AI voices, matching footage and music in just a few clicks. Pictory turns blog posts and articles into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates. Automatically extract highlights from Zoom, Teams, webinar and podcast recordings and convert them into short branded video snippets ideal for posting on social media. Pictory adds captions to your videos for increased reach and watch time. Deepbrain is our third tool. This tool is for those who want to create professional quality videos using avatars. Deepbrain's advanced AI algorithms deliver stunning visuals, captivating transitions, and realistic animations. Use Deepbrain to generate videos from text, turn any image into a talking avatar, create videos from websites, URL, and articles. Just create videos about anything with Deepbrain. Descript is a game changer for anyone looking for powerful podcasting, transcription, editing, and collaboration tools. With Descript, you can easily create podcasts, transcribe your videos, edit with precision, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. It's like having a virtual video production studio right at your fingertips. Descript allows you to 1. Edit audio and video by editing text. 2. Arrange visuals like a slide deck. 3. Record, edit, collaborate, and publish. Descript is a video editor that works like docs and slides. Heygen is a unique tool that lets you create engaging videos with AI avatars and AI voices. Whether you want to add narration, create voiceovers, or simply add a personal touch to your videos, Heygen has got you covered. Get ready to make your videos truly immersive. The major features include AI avatar, AI voices, video translate, personalized video, interactive avatar, and collaboration with Zapier. The use cases Heygen are product overviews, scaled outreach, learning and development, and many more. And last but not the least, we have Fliki. This intuitive platform allows you to turn scripts into compelling videos with ease. Simply input your script, choose a template, and Fliki will do the rest. Transform your ideas into stunning videos with the AI video generator. Easy-to-use text-to-video editor featuring lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI-powered features. Tired of using complicated video creation tools? Create stunning videos in just 4 simple steps. 1. Start with your text, ideas, PPT, blogs or tweets. 2. Choose and personalize your AI voice. 3. Select media or let AI create. 4. Preview instantly and perfect your creation. The major features include idea to video. You can transform your ideas into stunning videos with AI voices using the idea to video feature. Blog to video. This helps you to convert blog articles into engaging video content. PPT to video. With this, you can transform your PowerPoint presentations, PPTs, into stunning videos in seconds. Tweet to video. This will allow you to transform tweets into engaging videos with our Tweet to Video feature. Avatar Video. This helps you to create stunning avatar videos in just single click. Product to Video. You can transform your Amazon and Airbnb product listings into engaging videos. Now, let's take a closer look at the plans offered by each tool and their pricing options. Fliki offers the free plan. For beginners, the standard plan costs $21 per month and premium plan is $66 per month. For Descript, the hobbyist plan is $12 per month, the creator plan, $24 per month, and the business plan is $40 per month. Deepbrain offers two different plans. First, the personal plan, which goes for $24 per month. Then, the team plan, which is for $72 per month. Now, for Heygen, they offer the free plan. The creator plan is $24 per month. The most popular plan is the team plan, which is $69 per seat per month. The starter plan in Pictory is $19 per month. The professional plan is $39 per month, and with $99 per month, you can get the team plan. Apart from the free plan, which allows users who wants to try video creation with AI, Invideo also offers the Plus and the Max plans. These plans are $20 and $48 per month. Kindly check out the links to all the tools in the description below. Visit their websites and try the tools by yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a like. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on video creation. Thank you for watching. Join our community of like-minded creators and let's take your video creation to the next level.